Hily Dating App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Looking for love online? You've probably heard about Hily, one of the dating apps that promises smarter matches and more meaningful connections. But in 2025, is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by assuming Hily works like every other dating app. The surprising truth is that Hily uses AI-driven algorithms to analyze your behavior, preferences, and interactions, helping you find matches more likely to be compatible. Unlike traditional swiping apps, Hily also encourages users to engage through video chats and icebreaker prompts, which can lead to more genuine conversations. One of the biggest pros is the user-friendly interface. The app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, whether you're a first-time dater or an experienced app user. Hily also offers safety features including photo verification, which reduces fake profiles, and advanced privacy controls, allowing you to decide who sees your information. Another advantage is the interactive features. Hily encourages real-time engagement with in-app video calls, quizzes, and stories, which helps break the ice and make connections more meaningful. The app also has a compatibility score to give you an idea of potential matches before starting a conversation. However, there are cons. Some users report that the free version has limited functionality, meaning you might need a subscription to fully enjoy features like unlimited swipes or seeing who liked you. Also, like many dating apps, success depends on your location. Smaller cities may have fewer active users, which can limit matches. In conclusion, Hily in 2025 is a solid choice for anyone looking to meet people in a more engaging and thoughtful way. The AI-driven matching, safety features, and interactive tools set it apart from traditional dating apps. If you're open to exploring its premium features, Hily can make online dating less stressful and more fun, helping you connect with people who truly match your interests and values.